The question today is, what are the types of cooling towers? Firstly, cooling towers are classified by how they produce airflow and the direction the airflow takes in relation to the downward flow of water. Airflow is produced atmospherically, naturally, or mechanically. Wet cooling towers operate using the scientific principle of evaporation. Induced draft cross flow, forced draft counterflow, atmospheric, hyperbolic, or chimney. Dry cooling towers operate using a scientific principle of convection by heat transmission through pipes or tubes or surface that separates the working fluid from the ambient air. Hybrid wet and dry cooling towers can be found in operation at many systems and the chemical processing industry. Atmospheric cooling tower. How it works? Cool air enters the tower through the louvered sides and passes across the downward flowing hot water. As the air becomes heated by contact with the hot water, it travels up. Atmospheric cooling towers have a 30 to 55% efficiency rating for cooling water. Natural draft cooling tower. How it works? Airflow is produced by temperature-induced density difference inside and outside the stack. Hyperbolic or chimney towers are natural draft towers that have a large stack or chimney. Airflow is produced by temperature-induced density differences inside and outside the stack. Forced draft cooling tower. Forced draft cooling tower forces air in mechanically by the use of fans on the tower side of the tower. Forced draft towers usually have solid sides without louvers. This type of cooling tower is less efficient than induced draft tower because some hot air is recirculated. Induced draft cooling tower. It differs from the forced draft cooling tower in that it pulls air out of the tower rather than forcing it in. Counterflow operation. Force air vertically across solid area of fill and the draft eliminator are located above the fill and the water distribution header.